Confused between Photoshop and Illustrator? Which one should you learn first, and which one will actually make you money? Today, we're breaking down Adobe Photoshop versus Adobe Illustrator, so you can choose the right tool for your goals. What is Photoshop? Photoshop is a raster-based software, meaning it works with pixels, perfect for photo editing and retouching, social media graphics, thumbnails, and posters. If you love editing images, creating effects, or working with photos, Photoshop is your go-to tool. What is Illustrator? Illustrator is a vector-based software, meaning designs are made using paths, not pixels, perfect for logo design, icons and illustrations, branding and print design. If you want sharp, scalable designs that never lose quality, Illustrator is the best choice. Key differences. Simple breakdown. Let's make it super simple. Photoshop equal pixels, best for photos. Illustrator equal vectors, best for logos. Photoshop images lose quality when zoomed. Illustrator designs stay sharp at any size. Which one makes more money? Both tools can help you earn, but it depends on your path. Photoshop, social media posts, thumbnails, photo editing gigs. Illustrator, logo design, branding, professional client work. High-paying clients usually prefer Illustrator skills for branding projects. Which one should you learn first? Here's the best advice. Start with Photoshop if you are a beginner. Move to Illustrator for professional design work. Or, learn both and become a complete designer. Pro tip. Most successful designers don't choose one. They use both together. For example, edit images in Photoshop, design logo and branding in Illustrator. So, Photoshop or Illustrator? Which one are you choosing? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more graphic design tips.